Look out. They're even driving in the bush now.
Here we go. Welcome back to another episode. See, today we're going to Hamersley Gorge.
Yeah, so we're in Karijini. You would have seen last week we had a bit of dust in the van, but all good, sorted out. Today we're going down to Hamersley Gorge to have a look.
And she's a little windy.
Nick's even got a stick to try and do it.
So here we are.
At Hamersley Gorge.
So it says we're here. And we're going to follow this one to the waterfall and this bubble. So let's go.
Oh, look at this. Got the stick.
Wow.
You got to walk down there, babe.
Yeah.
There's
a rock formation.
There's the spa and that up there.
So beautiful.
Okay.
So I really struggle with this sort of terrain. We haven't done it for a long time, but this was something I really wanted to push myself to do. I don't know if you guys know, but I've had both my knees replaced, and yeah, so I got this lent to me today, and it's definitely been great, and I'm so happy just to pan around, Dave, and see what we've come to. So if I can do it, you can do it.
You're either going to make it or it's going to make good footage. Really? Right, I've made it halfway, I think. Nick's sort of popped up on that ledge there. What a view. She's made it to the ladder. Up you go. Ready? Ready? Here we go.
Can you dive?
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh. Yeah, it's cold.
Oh. You there? I've made it here, and I forgot to put the waterproof bit on the camera, but it's still recording, so for now, this is the infamous spa. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm still alive. I didn't get stranded yesterday.
We didn't leave her there.
No.
Yeah, so hats off to Nick for that walk yesterday. I really didn't think she'd be able to do it, but her and her one stick got her there in the end. Look, it's like anything. If you want to go and you want to see these things, take your time. We had friends with us and they sort of just got to the pool and waited for us, and then when we had our swim they waited till we got back out, and then they went on to back to the main pool and waited there for us until we got there. But yeah, flies are a little bit antsy, but what a place this is. This is Buddha's Rest.
Campground.
Or campground, or Buddha's Rest, I think it is. I'll put up the...
So it is a freebie.
Yep.
It's huge. You have massive rubbish bins there, and it's dog friendly.
It is dog friendly. It's right outside. Virtually you come... Sorry about the flies, but you turn out of this campground, you turn right, you go down the road about 100 metres and you turn left into Hamersley Gorge.
I think it's like 4 k's or something.
4 kilometres.
So if you're fit enough, you could probably walk there. But yeah, it's quite a small car park. It's got toilets there, beautiful viewing platform, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Yeah, I'm not prepared to just sit in the car park and wait for Dave to do it, so I pushed myself yesterday and I'm super proud. So
yeah, good on you.
Yeah. So we're just going to pan around. A little pat on the head.
But before we pan around, like Nick said, this is that close to the national park.
Yeah.
So you can have your dogs here. There, where's Indy? Just down there.
Freaking out.
She's freaking out. She thinks we're going to leave her behind. But yeah, so you can have her there. We just tied her up to the van. One of the other couples that his wife didn't go, she stayed. So
she did dog sitting.
She done dog sitting for us. So
good job, thanks, Sharon.
Yeah. But I think we're packed up today and we're heading back towards AUSKI Roadhouse.
Yeah.
And we'll get some fuel. I don't know if we can get water there, we'll find out. And then we're going to go to, I always get it wrong.
We'll put it in the link. We'll just put it in the link.
Albert Togalini or something like that. It's another free camp. So
we'll pop it up anyway.
We'll put that one there as well.
Be fine. But yeah, what a top spot. And look, I think if you could do 3 or 4 days out here, we did get a bit of rain, but it's all dried out, no problem whatsoever. Yeah. But yeah, a couple of days out here and you could just pop down there and have a swim every day. It'd be so good.
Yeah. All right, so we'll pan you around so you can see, but it's massive.
Oh, there's heaps of places. Yeah. And she's right there. She's not even taking any chances.
Yes, they open the car door up and she's trying to get in. She thinks she's going to get left behind. Does it every time.
Every time. Anyway, top spot, guys, right. And
get out here and have a look.
For sure.
All right. Look out. They're even driving in the bush now.
Can we go?
We've left Buddha's camp and hang on. Yes. We've left Buddha's camp and we're driving towards Whitnoom. But if you have a look out there, you get sick with that one. Woohoo! But yes, the road's pretty good. Yeah. We just put the drone up, but it's way too windy for the drone. It's saying strong wind warnings on it, so got a little bit. We'll see if it worked out.
At least we didn't crash it today.
Ah. We might need to get some binoculars to see it, but because we lose it.
Old people need glass.
Yeah, I was never good at Nintendo and Mario Karts. We used to always spin out, and I think I'm still doing it with the drone. So we're just heading into AUSKI Roadhouse. We're going to get some fuel and maybe some water. I don't know if you can get water there or not, but we'll have a look.
And probably pull up and have a bit of lunch somewhere.
Yeah, well, the Albert Togalini rest area is not that far from there, so we'll probably pull up and set up camp up there for the day. This is going to be interesting. We're on a dirt road. Nick hates dust and there's a truck and car coming towards us.
I hate that too. Oh my god! He knew I was coming. Good job, buddy.
She's pulled over. She's slowed down to about 50 k's now.
I'm doing 60.
No, she's going back up speed now because he's pulled over.
Oh, good job, buddy.
Okay, we've just come back onto the Roeburn-Whitnum Road and we're pulling up here, but as you turn in, and look again, I can't do anything about it. It's the GoPro, but the view of these ranges is unreal.
It's just spectacular.
Okay, we're just coming into Whitnum. Obviously this town is closed now.
It's such a shame because we did stay out there a long time ago,
before they shut the town.
6 years ago. And we camped out there and I said to Dave, this is where you need to propose to me. There's got to be a washer or a burger ring or something under the chair. It is just breathtakingly beautiful escarpment out there.
It's just so pity. It's just a pity that the asbestos is here. So
gorgeous landscape.
We'll just show you on the map here. You can see. So we're just here. We come into Whitnum and then we're going to head out back towards Port Hedland, out to AUSKI Roadhouse.
And I'm still driving. Look at me go.
Right, let's go.
Right.
As you can see, they've actually closed the road off. You can't actually get in there anymore. Such a beautiful place in there. I remember coming here as kids with mum and dad, but obviously for health reasons now they've shut it.
Penalties applied.
Yeah, so we come through it, like Nick said, about 7 odd years ago, maybe 8 years ago. It was still open, but they just said enter at own risk.
I think there was even still a couple of residents that were still living there, and there probably still is, but yeah.
Some people wouldn't go, but they've actually cut all the services, everything to the town now. So, but
yeah, but
spectacular place.
Is just, you know, it's a shame that the GoPro never does it justice. It is just spectacular.
Even just driving past here through Hamersley Gorge on this road here, it's unbelievable.
Yeah. Get out here.
Get out and explore, you lot. Here you go. Look at the worry look on her face.
At least the dust's going the other way. Don't even wave. Rude. Front one was a bit grumpy, wasn't he then?
Yeah. Oh well.
Up his clacker.
What are we doing? 50 k's.
Yeah.
At least you didn't stop this time.
All I can say is he's not a very good passenger princess. He can't get the GoPro together. He can't find the drinks. The seatbelt thing's annoying him. Clearly not a very good passenger princess. There's no snacks. What sort of passenger princess?
Well, I'm not hungry and I'm not thirsty.
Oh, so it's all about you, but
no, it's all about you when you sit in this chair.
When you're driving, I've got to have all my shit together, which I do.
For what? I don't ask for anything. It's you wanting a drink and to stop and have snacks. When was the last time you got me a snack? Hey? When was the last time you got me a drink?
It's not the point.
Ah, see?
No, it's not the point.
So she doesn't like driving because she can't eat and drink?
No, I can. I can always do that.
Ah, well, at least she's having a go.
Yep.
So it's good for couples to both be able to drive and tow. So, you know, have a go on everything. You mightn't be able to sit on, like the speed limit out here is only 80 and I think we're doing 70 now. So you drive into the conditions. I wouldn't be driving, I probably wouldn't do 80 either on this road just because it's loose gravel. But
well, and you don't want to have a fire blow out.
And it's good that everyone's, you know, knows how to do it. Now we've got to learn
how to hitch it up.
Hitch it up and
do all that part of it without.
In case I break a leg or something, and you'll have to help me get in the truck, and then she'll have to do everything.
Catch me finger or something silly.
Oh. What are you hoeing about?
I just thought that was just 2 lanes. I didn't realise there was an overtaking for half a second there. Tognolini.
Tognolini.
No.
Tognolini.
No.
Oh, whatever, something like that.
Tognolini.
1.5 kilometers.
Okay. Spectacular drive. So we've just parted with Taylor's on the move. So we're all in our lonesome now.
Well, who knows? But so we just come from I always call it AUSKI because that's what it used to be. But it's MUNJINA now, the roadhouse. So
Yeah.
this is only about 14 k's from it, and all that pass that Nick just showed you.
Oh my God.
We're going to be camped up here, and you overlook that pass.
Oh, it's just breathtakingly beautiful. All right, on we go. Sealed road so far.